Or yours might be different. Let me see. Yeah, yours might be a 10 millimeter because this is. I ain't got time for that. Just get your finger right there and pick that boot up just like that. Definitely good look at all this. Now you're gonna have two tabs. One right here that you're gonna pick. Right here. Yep. Just loosen that. I got some wire, mechanics wire right here. I'm gonna wrap it around, jacking the engine up. And then we're gonna go down here to the front of the engine. In my life, I've never seen a belt disintegrate like this. All right, there we go. Now, what I'm gonna do, reach right. Oh, I got this going on off, dang it. Goes right there to line all that up. So, I mean, you can put it back in there if you want. Some of the bolts is out. That means somebody at that time did a water pump. Yeah, because that put there about 15 degrees before top dead center. I am assured that just a little bit.
Yeah.
Messed up over here. That's why.